Hey everyone, it's Keith Badiner, your personal insurance and financial services agent for life. I'm with a really good friend of mine, Joel Luquin. He's of our district office and he's our commercial specialist. So today's conversation is on commercial or business insurance and how the market's going. Speaking of which, Joel, how's the market going?
It's getting better. There definitely was some challenges. I want to say probably the last year and a half. But with market conditions getting better as far as with farmers, we're definitely open pretty much for everything now. Only thing that we have closed at the moment is restaurants for tops. We can still do the work comp for restaurants, but we should be getting the restaurants probably, I want to say maybe third quarter of this year.
Right, so not too far off, but not today.
Yeah.
Right. But we still handle a wide variety of businesses. Some we do much better than others. We can't handle most. What are our top categories currently?
Top categories as far as what we're seeing great success in is like retail office service is actually doing really good. Commercial auto, a lot of great policies that are being closed in our district right now with commercial auto. Work comp is definitely, we've taken
Quite a few discounts.
Quite a few discounts as far as this year, an average around 10% of discounts that have come across the board through a lot of the markets for work comp. So great opportunity as far as great rates as far as that farmers has right now with the work comp product as well.
Excellent. So what does that mean for most business consumers? Well, there are particular industries as for the business owner's policy. We can do quite a few, maybe not all. When it comes to auto, much more, because there's a little bit more freedom in that. When it comes to work comp, even more. So if you have some commercial vehicles, small fleet or the like, you've got some employees, this is well worth the conversation, because right now what we provide is a better rate, fantastic service. Quite frankly, the rest of the market's still having quite a bit of difficulty right now.
Yeah, especially with the commercial auto, there's not that many carriers out there that are actually in that market right now. So Farmers is one of the few that is still taking advantage of having that market open and offering like pretty good rates. Definitely competitive. We've been, the quotes that I've seen in the district that have come through, we've definitely been able to save customers quite a bit of money. Definitely the bigger the fleet, the better the discounts as far as that have been, for sure. But this last customer that one of other agents doing, they're getting around the 20 to 30K savings.
Wow. Is that the one you just mentioned to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. And so, for those consumers out there thinking, geez, things are kind of tight, that's the whole point of a quote. Just ask. That's my motto, right? You never know. And maybe it doesn't fit. Maybe it does fit. I'll do whatever I can to make it as easy as possible. No, it's not a button press. But for the savings, like you just mentioned, it's got to be well worth it. That's each and every time of a renewal. That's what you're looking at. You can easily make back all of your effort in just one policy period, quite frankly. Yeah. There's other things for commercial that may be important too. So for those who have extended liability, especially if you're looking at a fleet, getting a commercial umbrella policy is a very good choice. For those who own businesses with other people or have some important people that work for them that they couldn't run the business without, highly recommend looking at life insurance, often known as a buy-sell or key man policy. Those are really important. You have no idea what happens when someone departs. If you don't have plan B ready, that can be a really tough one there. So market is getting pretty good.
Yeah.
What would you say is our probably fastest growing segment at the moment?
Fastest growing, it's probably going to be the retail office service. So what that kind of entails is anything like retail related, like clothing stores,
bookstores as an example, right?
Bookstores, like anything like with like electronics, that's been doing pretty good. That's probably the fastest growing market that we see right now. That's what goes through pretty quick as far as through underwriting. Not a lot of information as far as that's required, and then running a business as far as it's what you need as far as pretty much you get the keys for a location that you're leasing out.
Right.
That's the fastest growing I want to say right now.
Also, to those who maybe haven't looked at their policy in many years, look at your policy. Talk to your current agent. Whether you're talking with me or not, the point is that things change. That coverage that you had set some time ago, inflation has kicked in. Other concerns have kicked in. Right now we're hearing a bit about tariffs. What does this all mean? It means the things that you're trying to cover with yesterday's coverage may not be enough for today's coverage. So again, talk to your current agent. I'm more than happy to talk with you also to see if perhaps we can save you some money along the way. But don't make the mistake of, after a claim, discovering that you should have been making a few modifications that really would have made a huge difference to you.
Right.
So at any rate, we'll be talking more about commercial insurance as the weeks go on. If you have any questions regarding commercial insurance, just ask. And if I'm not really certain, I'm going to just ask Joel over here.